how to receive money from WorldRemit. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can receive money from WorldRemit. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. So if you want to receive money from WorldRemit, let's say that you've sent a specific money to someone. Now once you've sent them money, they will basically get an SMS explaining that they just need to download the WorldRemit app and register for their wallets to access it. For the people who do not have the WorldRemit account, you try to send them money, then they will just get an SMS on their phone just asking for them to download and register, and then we'll just access their wallet. Now money is paid to their wallet when they complete their registration. Basically that's how it works. So if you're someone who's trying to receive money, somebody sends money to you, once you complete the registration, money will be added to your wallet. Now you'll basically have up to 14 days to register before they return the money to the sender. So if you're sending money to someone who do not have a WorldRemit account, and if they don't register within 14 days, the money will be refunded back into your account. That's basically how it works. So all of this is just an automated process. If you have any kind of issues, you can just contact the help center to get help with it. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.